Hello, I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For the day's adventure, we're going to do something just a little bit different. So I haven't had a good meal in about 6 days. Haven't sat down in a restaurant for at least 6 days because I've been on the road. Actually, the past 2 days I really didn't eat anything hardly. 3 days ago, I had a Chick-fil-A sandwich to go. So anyway, I'm in Rapid City, South Dakota, and I'm going to try Firehouse Brewery. I've seen advertisements for them since Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I think they took a page out of the playbook of Wall Drugstore. Every several miles, there are a bunch of billboards for them. So I'm going to check them out, see how the food is. I hope it's really good. And I'm inviting you to tag along. There it is, the Firehouse Brewing Company. It's in the old Rapid City Firehouse. However, they've expanded. They have outdoor seating, mercantile store, and a winery. It's gonna be a late supper tonight, but it's totally gonna be worth it. To drink, as well as one of their signature beers, Black Hills Brown. It's a stout. That is really good. Really, really good. I will have to sip this. Have to sip it. It's really good. All right, I ordered the Gumbo. I ordered a large portion, and this is one of their signature dishes. That's really good. Very good. It's really spicy, but not too spicy for me, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna have to ask for a to-go box or something because I ordered a large because I'm a large man. I should have ordered a medium because my stomach is short the past few days and I'm almost completely full. Alright, I'm going to finish up this video sitting in my car because it's a little past twilight right now outside, and there's more light here around where I'm parked in the car than there would be. There's less noise than there would be if I was walking around and whatnot. So just kind of summing up, the beer, I forget the name of it off the top of my head. It was the stout. It was very, very good. It was smooth and not a whole lot of hoppy flavors. I mean, there was a little bit of, flavor there, of hop flavor, but it was the way a dark dinner beer should be. It's very, very good. That's one of their 2 signature beers, I believe. I believe the other one's a red ale. I didn't try that one. And the Gumbo. Now, I have not been to New Orleans, but I've had a lot of different Gumbo in my life. But like I said, I'm prefacing this by saying I've never been to New Orleans, or actually much of Louisiana in general, but that was the best Gumbo I have ever had, period. It was so good. I mean, it was so filling. The flavors were so rich and vibrant. It was spicy, but it wasn't like, it wasn't like sometimes Mexican food. Sometimes it's really spicy right away and immediate, and it, has this flame in your throat. This was more of a gradual spice that got hotter the more you ate and as time went on, but it didn't get too hot. It was very, very good. It was highly recommended, and I highly recommend it. Apparently Rachel Ray did too, because she's tried that Gumbo, and it's her favorite dish there at that place, at the Firehouse Brewing Company. So if you're there, I recommend the Gumbo. They also said that anything with the brisket's very good, but I didn't have anything like that, so I can't really say or not. I want to give a shout out to my waitress, Jacinda. I'm not for sure how you pronounce it, Jacinda. If by chance you happen to watch this video at some point, like it and comment below, and I hope my tip was adequate. Thank you for being so helpful. Thank you for making my first meal in about a week so enjoyable. First sit-down meal in about a week, so enjoyable. It was delicious, and you were very courteous. It's really, really busy because tonight, as I'm recording this, it's the last night of Sturgis here in South Dakota. So there's all kinds of bikers all around. It's really, really busy. You did an excellent job, Jacinda. So thank you. Big thumbs up. Shout out to you. And I really do think my stomach has shrunk somewhat in the past week, and not eating as much as I have and being so active, because I actually have a take-home container. I had the large. There was about half of it that was left over that I'm taking home with me, that I will probably, the place I'm staying tonight has a microwave and a refrigerator, mini fridge, and so I'm going to use that tomorrow and probably have that as my dinner tomorrow. And a week ago, that portion, I would have easily been able to eat the whole thing, no problems at all. Probably would have still been hungry somewhat, but not tonight. And I actually stopped, and I'm taking this with me, and so we'll see when I get back how things are going, as in weight-wise and whatnot. But anyway. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land, where we've eaten at the Firehouse Brewing Company in Rapid City, South Dakota. Thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you've disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content, and ring that notification bell for emails. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.